already cooked my village bitter gourd or sweet gourds and village string beans or palya they call it here, this string beans or Baguio beans. Toppings with coriander leaves with minced meat. So already cooked this one. Just I sauteed garlic, onions, then no tomatoes. Then minced meat, salt, and soy sauce only. This is native village krili. Krili means ampalaya or bitter gourd, but this is not, taste is not bitter. This is like, taste is like string beans. So I will cook this one also. Then I will add also this one. This one and this one. Just I will saute with the garlic, onions, and then I add also minced meat na sahog. Then some seasoning, salt, and soy sauce. And this one, this is the way we clean. Must be we have to remove this one. It's like yung tinik-tinik torn. Like that. This is very tasty. First, I cook only this one. Before 2 to 3 days, I think. Then, yung sahog ko ay 1 piece of piece. Then, I cut small pieces. 1 piece na yung cheese ng chicken. So, this one is already, can be, I will make dry this one. So, I will plant next year, inshallah. Like that. Then just only cut into pieces like that. This is from my sister-in-law because they have this kind of organic village plants. And also this one, native string beans. I have but another kind of string beans. Yung yung sitaw, yung long beans ba sa atin, yung sitaw. This is the way how to clean this village native krili. But this taste is like string beans, like this. Yung Baguio beans sa atin. So this is the way how to clean it. Like that. Then you cut like this. Just only 2 pieces cut. Like that. And some seeds already, this one is already black, so I have to dry this one, and next year inshallah I will plant. Now let's start saute now. Garlic is already brown, so I put now also these onions. Native village krili. Krili means bitter gourd, but this is not bitter. Taste is like string beans. This is also native village string beans or Baguio beans. Now we put now also this minced meat or kima para masarap-sarap may sahog. I already boiled this one, so now we can put now also this Baguio beans or string beans. Yan. Simple na loto, mikos-mikos ba? Then we cover it. String beans is already half cooked. Now we have to put now this native bitter gourd or sweet gourds. Because I like only half cooked, not overcooked. Now we have to cover again. Now let's check. It's already cooked. String beans and grilly or sweet gourds. So we have to put now soy sauce. Soy sauce ng Pakistan. Ayan. And then salt. So this is already cooked, half cooked. Now I will put also toppings, coriander leaves or parsley. Ayan, ingay ni langga.